Our spirits call out for us to follow its lead. It knows the path. The way has been paved for our highest good, to feel more alive than we believed we ever would. The stunning, beautiful shades of the skin we wear does a delightful dance as the sunlight finds its way in. Energized by its presence, seeking protection, and proudly standing guard of the inner workings buried beneath the surface, a soul saturated with stories and strongholds stand at an entryway, desiring to break free from the past, fighting its way through decades of dismay. I am Joanne Dean, the founder of Inspired by Joanne and the author of Self Care for Success. I love all things self care, sisterhood, spiritual growth, and of course, storytelling. We are a spirit living in a body, and that body requires maintenance. We should all have a self care plan. Self care is not just about spa days. It also includes examining behavior patterns we do not want to pass down as a part of our legacy. Self care is taking the time to do the things that help us live well and improve our physical, mental, and spiritual health. Mental health includes our emotional, physical, and social well being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It also helps determine how we can handle stress, relate to others, and make healthier life choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. I invite you to extend unconditional love and compassion to yourself as you walk the path of identifying old patterns that no longer serve you, giving yourself permission to heal while honoring who you are. Why? Because our legacy depends on us taking care of ourselves. Our lives are not just about us. Everything we do impacts those that are connected to us. And the legacy we leave will be us sharing with others how we want to be remembered, how we want to be seen, and the impact we want to leave on this world. I'm your self-care sister. Thanks for listening, and you be well. Take care.